What's up, guys? In today's video, we have to talk about what's going on with Bitcoin. So about a month ago, one Bitcoin was worth around $60,000 each. And this week, one Bitcoin went as low as $30,000 each. And right now, it's sitting right around $37,000 per coin. In today's video, we're going to be explaining why Bitcoin is moving the way it is, what to look out for, and some potential opportunities with this catalyst. And we're just seeing a lot of new events and news and catalysts come out day by day, especially with like China and regulation regarding to Bitcoin that is just really having a negative effect on this cryptocurrency. So like I said, we're going to talk about like the news, some potential opportunities, and then some support and resistance levels to look out for. But I kind of want to like give some background on why Bitcoin has been tanking lately. And Elon Musk said a little while ago that Tesla is going to stop accepting Bitcoin as payment for Teslas, right? And obviously, that's not a good sign. He cited environmental reasons for that. And then Elon Musk later went on to say, well, he hinted that Bitcoin, that Tesla may have sold their Bitcoin when in reality Tesla didn't, but it just brought a lot of fear and uncertainty into the markets. And then there was also a lot of bad news with like China and Bitcoin. We actually had brand new news come out today. Bitcoin price falls after China calls for a crackdown on Bitcoin mining and trading behavior. This is not a good sign at all. And there's just more and more regulation news with Bitcoin coming out this week. And it's really having a negative impact on the cryptocurrency. And even the U.S. Treasury called for stricter cryptocurrency compliance with the IRS. So it's not really a good sign. And there's just a lot of selling pressure in the market overall right now. And then on top of that, there are a lot of people, and I would even say institutions, who are just over leveraged with Bitcoin in general. It's no secret that Bitcoin has been exploding over the past couple years. Like in the past 4 years, Bitcoin went from $500 all the way up to over 60,000. And a lot of people who have been in this have made a lot of money, obviously, but a lot of people have also been extremely greedy, and people are using leverage to intensify their gains. So like, for example, let's say someone bought Bitcoin at, let's say, $50,000 per coin, right? And let's say they bought, let's say they only have $50,000, but they borrowed another $50,000 so they could buy 2 coins, right? If Bitcoin had a 50% drop in value, which we saw, that person would be margin called. So margin calls can get very complex, but long story short, people are using leverage in a lot of different cryptocurrencies right now. And leverage is great because sometimes it can really intensify your gains, but other times it can really put you in a bad situation. And you can actually be forced to sell depending on how much the underlying cryptocurrency falls. And then on top of that, there are some rumors spreading around right now that there are institutions actually shorting Bitcoin very heavily right now to kind of cause like a margin call situation, but then also that so that they can like later rebuy Bitcoin on the dip. And that would be a great entry price for them, obviously. But keep in mind, those are just rumors and that has not been confirmed. But I just want to talk about, what's the opportunity right now given the current situation. Nobody knows the bottom, not Warren Buffett. No one knows the bottom, right? Bitcoin is extremely volatile, but I like it for the long term. I really like Ethereum for the long term as well. If we take a look at Ethereum, they're actually all the way down to 2,470. And just a couple days ago, they hit highs right around 4,300. So it had a significant pullback. And I think the best way to go right now is to slowly dollar cost average, just slowly buy in. Nobody knows the bottom. Right now, Bitcoin is at 37,000, and who knows, this might be the bottom, or maybe the bottom's at 32,000 or 25,000 or 20,000. No one knows, but if you just buy in a little bit over time, I think that'll put you in a great position for the long term. So yeah, I think that's definitely the best way to go. If we take a look at the chart, we have a major support level right at $30,000 per coin. I think it was Monday or Tuesday, Bitcoin fell all the way down to 30,000. Let me pull this up real quick. So it fell all the way, right here. So let me pull it up real quick. On May 19th, Bitcoin fell all the way down to 30,000 for like a couple seconds and came right back up. We have a ton of buyers in this area, and it's definitely a huge support level. So watch out for that. And then after that, we have a pretty decent resistance right around 43,600 per coin, and then another strong resistance right around 47,500 per coin. If we break below 30,000, the next major support isn't until like 25,000 or so. So just be on the lookout for that. I think right now is a great time to dollar cost average. And one thing I really wanted to point out is that there's a site called bitinfocharts.com. If you head over to that site and then click Bitcoin, and then you scroll down, you can see that there are a ton of different statistics related to Bitcoin. It's a pretty great site. But if you head over to the, let me find it, the top 100 richest, you can find the richest wallets that are holding Bitcoin, and you can literally follow what they're doing for free. And I like to use this because obviously, if you like, for example, if you have a portfolio that's worth, what is that, $9.9 billion in Bitcoin, you obviously know what you're doing. So what you can do is you can actually follow their trading history and their trading history. So if you click on their address right here, you can see the richest Bitcoin wallet has actually been buying up this dip. They bought 28,000 Bitcoins on May 20th at, you can see the current price and all that right here. You can see the block number. You can see everything basically. But, I think that's a great resource to follow the smart money. But one thing that worries me a little bit is that we have the, richest wallet buying more Bitcoin, which is awesome. But then if you scroll down, you can see, some of the other smart money, you could say leaders, are also selling their Bitcoin. So we had the sixth richest person selling about 5,000 Bitcoins. So there's just a little bit of a divergence between the smart money. But I just want to point this out to everyone. You can literally find billion-dollar Bitcoin portfolios and track their trades for free. So I just want to point that out. And I like to use BLOCKFI. So I actually made a BLOCKFI account recently. They are here. Let me go to BLOCKFI real quick. So BLOCKFI, you can see that you can actually get paid interest to buy cryptocurrencies. I know that there are a ton of different ways you can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can use Robinhood. You can use Coinbase. You can use, crypto.com, BLOCKFI, whatever, right? I like BLOCKFI because you can earn interest on your Bitcoin. I signed up for them recently. I really like them so far. If you guys want to use BLOCKFI, I have a link below. Feel free to use that. It's a referral link. I would appreciate if you guys use that. But if not, that's fine too. But I just wanted to point that out. I like how they definitely send you interest payments. Basically, they make their money because when people want to get a loan to buy Bitcoin, obviously they charge interest for that loan, and you get a piece of that. So it's just another way to kind of get another source of income, you can say, while you're investing in Bitcoin. And like I said, just to recap, I think the best way to go would be to dollar cost average. Personally, I think that we can see Bitcoin fall more. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm very curious. I know some people are saying Bitcoin's going to go to 20,000 and 10,000 and then it's going to crash forever. And then we have some people saying this is the bottom. Bitcoin's next stop is 80,000, right? So I know that there's a ton of different opinions. Personally, I think there's more room to fall. Just given my experience and just reading these catalysts and looking at the chart, I think that there is more room to fall. And I really wouldn't be surprised if we retest that $30,000 level. That's a huge support, and I think that we will retest it. But like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you want to try using BLOCKFI, you can earn some interest on your crypto trading. Click that link in the description down below. My link is in the description down below. And like I said, let me know what you guys think on Bitcoin. But other than that, thanks for watching.